Can this be really true? Oh, how I wish I had you.
Now I'm going to show you how to make ginger beer. One of our cold beverage, made from ginger and lime and sugar and even a little rum thrown in here. What I'm going to make is from 1 pound of ginger, 10 cups of water, and a third of a cup of lime juice. Since it's a pound of ginger, you got to blend it in batches because the blender won't take a pound of ginger at one time. So I go 2 cups at a time and a piece of ginger. This is about 6 ounces out of the pound of ginger. This is already washed, and I'm going to cut it in small pieces. And if there's any rot or blemish, I'll cut that out before I put it in the blender. My blender, you got to put the cap on, and then you start it. Cap on, small cap. I didn't peel it, but I washed it thoroughly with my vegetable brush. That's it. And I do this until I've used up the 10 cups of water and the pound of ginger. Keep pouring it into a large bowl. Here we have the ginger beer, which has been sitting overnight, or you can sit out for at least 4 hours. One of the things we use to help ferment the ginger beer in Jamaica is what we call chew stick. It's just a branch of a tree. I really don't know the name of the tree, but it comes in small pieces in a bunch. You'd buy it in the market, and you'd wash it, pound it a bit, and put it in ginger beer mixture for overnight, and that helps to ferment the ginger beer. But I haven't got that here, so I use crema tartar, which was recommended and which works. We have here 1 pound of ginger, 10 cups of water, and a couple of cloves sitting overnight.
Plus the 1 heaping
tablespoon of cream of tartar. Use a fine mesh strainer, and if not, you line the strainer with cheesecloth so that you get all of the grounded ginger out. And I'm going to sweeten it with brown sugar because that's what we grow with. This is ginger beer, strained and ready to be sweetened. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm going to start with a cup of sugar, brown sugar. Make it a little sweet because you're going to pour it over and serve it with ice. You want to try it, Angela?
No, you try it first.
Okay, I'll try it. Strong. It's very gingery and it needs more sugar. Oh dear. I'm going to add an extra 1/3 of a cup of sugar just to have it sweet enough for pouring over ice. And so there goes 2 tablespoons of rum. I know how to judge that, so that's 1 tablespoon. And that's 2 tablespoons. Lovely. And that should just make it perfect. Careful with the use of the rum, because you don't want to overpower the taste of the ginger. This is the tester. There you go, Angela. It's perfect.
Nice.
Ginger.
This is delicious, Mom, and it tastes as good without any rum in it as well.
Yes.
So,
and then I'm going to bottle this up and put it in the fridge. I have a clay bottle in Jamaica that they call a demijohn. I don't know what it means. But that's what I hear my grandmother said. And we used to store it in that, keeping it cool if you don't have a fridge in those days.
And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no.